Hi and welcome to this quick video where I'll show you how you can change the Wi-Fi settings on your LG Smart TV running WebOS 6 or higher. So let's get into it. We start by pressing the settings button just here on the remote. Then we go down the list until we get to network. Select it. It takes a few seconds to load. Then it lands on general. We go across to wired and we come down to Wi-Fi connection and click OK. It's searching for available networks and a list will appear, and select your network. This is mine here. I'll click OK and it wants me to enter the password, which I'll do now. Once you've entered your password, you'll see an X beside your Wi-Fi network, but don't worry, just click down and you'll see a tick beside it and you're now connected to Wi-Fi. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you have, I'd really appreciate if you can give the video a quick thumbs up because it really helps the channel out. Thanks very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.